Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. So today we're doing a soft glam. I asked on Instagram what you want to see and everybody voted for the soft glam. So I'm just going to actually use this palette today. This is by Pure Cosmetics and this is called the Creator palette. This is absolutely a beautiful palette and I was really inspired. I'm gonna go for a soft look. So I'm not gonna do any eyeliner or anything like that. So I'm just gonna use this palette here today on my eyes and hopefully it turns out good. And also I'm going to show you what I got for the VIB sale round 2 because we have another weekend. Actually this weekend is another sale for VIB Rouge. So yeah, let's get started. So I got this one in the mail. If you watch my last video, you know that I ordered this online and I got it. And this is the Neo Elixir Weightless Beauty Oil by Kevyn Aucoin. And it comes in a beautiful glass bottle. It's like a gel, oil, and then like water. It's like 3 different stuff in it. So you kind of shake it and you apply it on your face as your moisturizer or a primer. So we're gonna be using it as a primer today. It's a dropper, which is really handy. So I'm just gonna do like 2 drops or so. Yeah, I think it's enough. It's runny, so I'm just gonna rub it in. It feels very lightweight actually, and it absorbs into the skin so quickly. Like it doesn't feel silicone-y or but it's hydrated and it's a little bit a little bit tacky. I picked up this new Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation from Shoppers. It was on sale for like $14 or so. I got the shade LN4, Light Neutral number 4. I got it like a while back when it first came out and I just forgot about it. It was on sale, I grabbed it, so I'm gonna be applying it today. I haven't tried it on my face yet, so it looks like the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. I actually wore that yesterday. I really like the coverage of it. I'm not sure about this, but it looks like it's a good match. It has a very natural coverage actually. It's covering a lot of my discoloration. It looks really good on the skin actually. I really like it. It looks very natural, very glowy. I'm not sure if it's the primer that I applied or it's the foundation. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on my forehead. I just feel like pimples are red right there. Maybe I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on my cheeks just to cover a little bit more because we're gonna do a flawless look but still more on the natural side, you know what I mean. I picked up this Marc Jacobs and this is called the Remedy Concealer Pen. It's a little bit dirty because I was trying to swatch it yesterday. It's in the shade Zero Bright Idea. This is what the pen looks like. Not sure if you can see. Yeah, there you go. It's a Remedy concealer pen. It's a brightener, so you can use it as a concealer or you can use it before your concealer. So we're gonna try it as a brightener. It has a metal applicator and it's a clicky pen, so you just click. Okay, where are you? It's not coming out. So this is the color here. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it on both eyes. So it has a peachy tint to it, so that's a good color to cancel your dark circles. It has a good coverage too, so it's nice and covering. I think I applied too much because you don't need a lot of this. You just apply it where you have the darkness, so here in the inner corners and then down right there. Okay, just gonna blend it with the Sonia Kashuk one. It's blending really beautifully actually. If you don't want to wear a lot of concealer, you can actually pop this one under your foundation and then you put your foundation on top and then you're good to go. It's the Clinique Cover Up Without the Touch-Ups. It's a new one. It's called Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer Camouflage 24-Hour Wear. And I got 3 shades. I'm going to take Very Fair 04 underneath my eyes. So this is the color 04. I think it will work. It looks really good. It looks very natural on the eyes actually. I'm going to use the Peachy Perfect powder. I really enjoyed this the other day when I used it, so I used it only once. But this is a beautiful mattifying powder. I'm going to take the same sponge and I'm going to set my under eyes. So whatever's left in the lid here, I'm just going to take it and just tap it everywhere. I'm going to take Celebration Foundation. This is by It Cosmetics and my shade is medium beige. I'm going to take a little bit of a fluffy brush. This is by Japanese. I'm just going to tap it all over my face just to give me a little bit more coverage. I picked up this Toofaced Natural Face palette and this is for the face. They came out with 2 other palettes for the eyes, but I just picked up this one here and it's an absolutely beautiful palette and this is what it looks like. It's very high-end and luxurious. I really love the packaging. Like, it just looks like glass from one side and I just love it. So you have highlight, blush, and bronzers in here, so it's really pretty palette. It comes with a beautiful mirror. It's very like high quality matte bronzer. This is more like a shimmery bronzer, but you can use it as a blush, and 2 blushes here and then 2 highlighters, which are very intense and beautiful, and you'll see them in action today. I'm going to use that beautiful bronzer, the matte one, first, and I'm just going to take the same brush. I'm just going to warm up my skin. And it smells delicious. Yeah, it smells like coconut. I'm actually really enjoying Too Faced products lately. I don't know why. I've been reaching for them more, and yeah, like everything. I love the Born This Way foundation and the powder as well, and then I got the Peachy Perfect setting powder. It's just like beautiful. Like, everything is nice. Okay, I'm going to take this shimmery bronzer and I'm just going to use it on top of the matte one. It looks beautiful. So I'm going to take this gold one first. You see this, guys? Like, it's very intense, very smooth, and it's just like, it's a beautiful shade. And that was like just one dip. It's very intense. It just reminds me a little bit of the Trophy Wife, but it's a little bit more subtle. Like, in person you can see it more. It's a yellowy color, but it's just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of this pink now. I'm going to take a little bit up high, like here and on top, just to kind of give me that peachy color highlight. I'm going to take a blush and I'm going to use this beautiful pink shade. This is matte, but this is more like satin. I highly recommend this one if you love Too Faced. I'm super excited today about this Pure Cosmetics palette, and it's just a gorgeous palette, guys. I really recommend it. I was watching it and I was like just dying. You get 4 matte shadows and then the rest are shimmery and like more of a metallic finish to them. They're really pretty and pigmented, and I'm going to use it today. Super excited. The first shade I'm going to take is this matte shade here, and I'm going to use it as a base for my eyes. I'm going to take a Sony Kashuk brush. So I'm going to take this soft kind of brown color. I'm taking Joe Fresh blending brush, and this is going to be my transition color. So it's blending really nicely. I love this color. So now I'm taking this shade right here, and it's like a reddish brown color. It's really pretty. I'm going to take Sephora blending brush. I'm going to take the first brush by Joe Fresh, and I'm going to that second shade, and I'm just going to make it a little bit towards the crease. I'm just going to build it up. So now I'm going to take a concealer, and I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild with a more of a flat brush, and I'm just going to carve my eyelids. I'm not sure which color I'm gonna go for today. They're all beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch them quickly here. So you get this shade. They're very buttery and like pigmented and beautiful. Like they're very like smooth, and they feel like they're wet. And I'm going to and this is so pretty as well. Very beautiful and metallic. They look very wet. So I'm going to start with this peachy shade first. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to apply it in the inner third of my eye, and with the same brush, just on the other side. And now I'm going to take this reddish color. It's really like more of a mauvey reddish kind of color. It's really pretty. I'm going to take it on the same brush. You can use your fingers with those actually, but I'm more like precise with my cut crease. And I'm going to apply this one just right at the end of that peachy shade. I'm not going to use a lot. Just gonna try my finger and see. Yeah, so much better. I can see the pigmentation popping now with my finger actually. There you go. I'm gonna do the same thing with the peachy shade. I'm going to take that reddish brown color, the matte one, and I'm just going to pop it in the outer corner here. So I'm going to take this one again now, and I'm just going to pop it in the bottom lash line. Very, very pigmented. I'm going to swatch the highlight as well. it's very, very luminous. So it's very intense. Like, see that? Like, it is stunning. I'm actually gonna pop this one maybe in the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going to use these lashes here, and these are from Marshall's, and the style is called High Drama. So I picked up another Buxom Velvet Plum Shiny Liquid Lipsticks, and this is called Honeydew. So this is a beautiful peachy nude color. I really like the formula. They're very hydrating and they stay on for a long time. I'm going to apply some lip liner, and this is Bear to Comment by Wet n Wild. And I also picked up some eyeshadows by Sephora Collection. You can actually pop these out and put them in a magnetic palette. So I'm just going to show you how I take those and put them in the Pure Cosmetic palette. The shade Let's Party, and these are like all they have a glittery finish to them, and they're really, really, really beautiful. You can see them, they're really shiny, and these are $10. So you can open the bottom of this, and then you can get the eyeshadow out, and you have the sticker on the back, so it tells you which color it is. You can move these around, you know, just like that, and then you can pop this one here, just like so. I really love this idea. So these are the 3 shades that I picked up from Sephora. They're really nice and glittery, and they blend in with this palette actually. So I picked up this Tarte Cosmetics Chrome Paint Shadow Pot, and this is in the shade Top Yacht. I already have the color Park Avenue Princess. Very metallic, high-end, and they have a beautiful sheen. You can put this on the lid. You can use them in the inner corners. I actually am going to just use it on the inner corner today, just on top of that Pure Cosmetics highlighter, and I'm just going to take a brush just for fun, just to pop it even more. There you go. So pretty. But yeah, I really love everything that I got. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.